December 14th.
Kids, if you open it, I gotta take it out. I gotta take it out. No, I do.
Wow, there's something weird on top of that calendar. Is it something that we blow up, maybe? We'll have to look at that, okay? Hey. Alright, find your calendar. Number 14. Help him out, Con. Help him out. You know the number.
This one? No, okay, it's this one.
Con,
That one.
you're looking for a 1 and a 4.
1 and a 4.
14.
Where's the 1? Try this one. Okay, it's right there. Then I get to take it out.
I wonder what it says.
Mommy.
Let's make Christmas cards to send to your Nana, Papa, and Mama and Papa. Let's use stamps tonight.
Can I go color?
Well, let's blow up these things first, okay?
Blow up what?
On top of there.
What? Blow up these things?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever they are, I don't know.